Okay, so read out the question. A random variable x, normal distributed, mean and variance. So given that we have two information, so we have to find out mean and variance. So look at the first probability x greater than 25.512 equals to 0.3594. So look at the x. X is distributed normal. So situasi ini start dengan status normal. So what do you need to do? Change it to standard, then draw out it from table so that you can get the reading. Okay, so we change it to standard, means the x here will become z-score. So what's the value of z-score? 25.512 minus mu over standard deviation. So daripada nak tulis complicated macam ni, saya anggap dia sebagai A. Saya anggap nilai ini sebagai satu constant A. Supaya senang nak tulis. Nak lukis pun senang. So, di manakah kawasan dia? When you want to draw this, you have to guess what's the location for this z-score. Left hand side. Is it more than that? No. If left hand side more than that, no, not match with the value of probability, not match with the area. So big area value just sikit saja. So this A located at positive. Yeah, so this area is as much as 0.3594. So we will going to look at the region that you draw here. Means kita baca ekor A akan dapat 0.3594. So apakah ada kat belakang? Saya rasa yang tak ada kot. Nilai probability di sini semua cantik-cantik punya nilai bulat-bulat kan. So yang tadi 3594 sini, iaitu 0.36. So this A 0.36. Reading adalah 0.36. Then I can substitute back what's represented here, which is 25.512 minus mean over standard deviation. We make it simultaneous. The first equation kita cantikkan. Darabkan standard deviation. So this is the first simultaneous equation. You have two things to find, so you need two equations here. So we put a stop here. We continue for the second information. We analyze for the second information. So second information come here, Px less than 16. Okay. So same procedure. X is distributed normal, so status is normal. Next step, we change it to standard z-score, where we're going to minus mean over standard deviation. Then to write it, untuk cari dia senang, saya let it to be K lah. Kalau tidak nanti saya kena berulang-ulang tulis banyak kali ni. So to make it easier writing, I make it as K. I make this equals to K. So when I draw, where's the location of K? Is it left hand side? This value of K less than K? That having this, yes. So this K will be negative value. This z-score, later we get it, should be negative value. Alright. So how we going to read from the table? Kalau konsep table, mestinya bahagian ekor K ini boleh dapat 0.0301. Ekor negatif kita akan baca secara positif. So itulah bacaan ekor positif K akan tapak sebanyak kawasan 03, 01. So kita cari 03, 01. Oh, this one 1.88. So K negative 1.88 negatively because it was dia jatuh di belah kiri negatif. So apa yang reading yang kita baca tu kita kena convert balik kepada negatif. So what is represented by this K, the value will be 16.104 minus mean over standard deviation. So we will have another simultaneous equation sini. Okay. So we're going to solve this simultaneous equation in order to find out what is our mean and variance. So you can see minus mu, they're having the same term. We're using elimination method. So I can take 1 minus 2. So this 25 point something minus 16 point something. 9.408. So when negative mu minus negative mu become eliminated. So this one, ini tolak jadi tambah positif 2.24 standard deviation. So simplify this, standard deviation equals to 4.2. So do you need standard deviation or variance? Variance, right? So to get variance, you need to score your 4.2. Square this 4.2, 17.64. Okay, so we're going to substitute this standard deviation into either one equation to find out what is the mean. So let's say substitute into equation 1. Okay, so simplify out what's your mean here. 25.512 tolak ni. Pindah ditolak, pindah ni jadi positif mu, so mu akan jadi 24. Okay, so we answer already. Mean and variance. Mean 24, variance 17.64.